Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off lock screen notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, see here in the status bar, I have some notifications. Okay. Also, when I lock my screen, there are also notifications showing. Okay, so this is called lock screen notification. Okay, if you don't like these notifications to be appeared in lock screen, just you can turn off lock screen notifications. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications. Go to notifications and here select lock screen notifications and turn off this button so that notifications will not be shown on lock screen itself. Okay, I go to home screen and I put lock and I again press lock screen button to enter into my phone. It's in lock screen. Now there is no such notifications showing on the lock screen itself. See here. Okay, previously it was showing, but now it's not showing because lock screen notification has been turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off lock screen notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.